All people, all farm in Egypt, in the Middle East, and in China also we finish. Now we are in the beginning of October, so all now is finished now.
Yeah.
This is the young stock, my friend. Okay.
Yeah, this is pregnant heifer.
Yes. Okay. So the young stock. This is pregnant. Okay. This is pregnant also. Okay. This is pregnant stock.
These are heifer center.
Bismillah, mashallah. It is a good heifer and body condition score is very good. Yes. I know this is one of the best, so it is no surprise for us when you see everything is better and good management. So this is a normal because it is known good COP, standard operation procedure, and they achieved good KPI. So it is normal to see most all things is yeah. For when I look to Atasancak, even this is the first time for me, I give this to be as a standard farm.
Yeah.
A standard farm in Turkey.
Yeah, this one 6 to 8 months heifer.
So in this case, it can able to breed at 11 months.
No, 11, 13.
Yes, I think
Months.
you can start from yes, from 11 up to 13 maximum.
They do not allow government.
Government not allow.
Yeah.
Not allowed to breed before 11.
Before
13.
13.
Before 13.
Yeah.
But even the body weight is good. So around the 38 you can. In this case, at 11 months it will be around 360, 380 kilogram.
Mm-hmm.
So I think if you still until 13, so the body weight will reach up to 400.
Yeah.
It's easy. Okay, that's it. I think it's better a little hop. And about Dr. Ismail, is here now or
Not here.
Still outside?
Yeah.
When I talked to him,
Because today is Sunday.
Yes, he told me, but he's here in Turkey. I mean, he's here now in Turkey. I know you have Saturday and Sunday is vacation. Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday is vacation. But I don't know the situation in the farm is similar also for the staff, for administration staff. As example for you, for the manager, for veterinarian. Some people this is take vacation and another is still in duty to follow up the work. This is a young stock bar for young heifers. This is later it will be used to replace the elder cow that will be culling and removed from the herd for any reason, such as removed because low milk yield or low infertility or disease or something. Okay.
Yeah, these are breeding.
Yes, these are some things. This is
breeding case.
This is breeding, and I think also is appear like pregnant. I think this is pregnant in left hand. It's pregnant here.
Not breeding.
Not pregnant.
Yeah.
Still under breeding now. This is the pregnant.
All breeding.
All breeding.
Yeah.
they locked the heat lock, so you can see the hyper. All hyper is locked in there here. So they're making insemination now, as you see in this small car. Okay, all this hypers in two sides, from left and right. This is the breeding hyper. It's currently under breeding and insemination. So later, after about 2 months, it will be checked for pregnancy, and then making confirmation. And after about 9 months from the first insemination, it will give a calf or a purse, and then including in the cycle of the dairy farm. This barn is a pregnant heifers.
Yeah.
The pregnancy here is started around 12 or up to 13 months the age, to give birth at around 22 up to 24 months of age. So you can see the feeding management, and the feed is available in feed bank, and all heifers is located in the feed bank area. This barn is open and free yard barn, and just the first 3 meter in the feeding area is concentrated, and this is to using the tractor to remove the manure and collected at the end of the barn, and later is used to making fertilizer and methane production in gas stations. Milking part, dairy cow part, including milking and dry. So this is the first. We'll take a look at the milking. In front of us, this is the milking parlor. Okay, this is one of the best and largest in Turkey. So
Left
this is
side, dry cold. Left side.
this is the dry, yes,
cold.
left, yeah, and in
Right side.
in right side also.
And all pregnant.
In
cold.
right, yeah, right side also. This is the close up. Left, right,
No,
the right also.
no, pregnant.
Yeah, I know. Pregnant.
Late yesterday.
Yeah, close out.
No cold.
Not close out. Just a pregnant dry cow.
No, these are milky. No, milk. Daisy milk.
This is late milking.
Late milking, yeah.
Because the other is small, so it appear like dry cow. But this is a left hand. This is a dry cow. This is close up.
No. Just the dry cow.
Just a dry, no close.
Dry cow.
This is a milking
late. Yes.
So it's similar close up and dry is similar together. So you are using a soaker in the farm now?
Yeah.
Yes, maybe. Synthetic and finished store.
Yeah.
You are using the feeding in the feeding. You are using it.
No. Just
So just using the water to clean the
flashing.
We're still in the milking part now. You can see the cow. Cow is milking and return and eat the food, and now it's resting in the feed store. So you can see all the cow, most of the cow, more than 90% of the farm is eat and rest now and ruminate. Okay, just a few cows still located in the feeding pump to eat some food. This is for this part. This part is just finish milk and finish with the farm.
late lactation.
Late lactation?
Yeah. Altogether, pregnant.
Yes.
Pregnant cow.
Yes. Both sides in this part is late lactating cow, and soon it will be drying, okay, and of milk. And after around also 2 months, it will they will give a new baby or a new calf. Sand and adjust the surface of the sand. This work of managing the barn and the sand is to be occurred during the milking when the barn is free and all cow located in the milking barn. Okay? And this is the tractor. This is used to connect the remaining feed or the refusal feed, and later it will be loaded by the tractor and weighted and then used to feed the young stock and dry cows. And also to push the left side, it has one cycle to use to push the feed in front of feed bunker.
These are close up. Right side, close
Yes.
up heifer. Left side, close up cow.
This is the close up heifers 3 weeks before calving or more than 8 months. 21. Yes. Just 3 weeks before calving. During the 3 weeks before calving, that will be more than 8 months of pregnancy. And in this size, this is a close up cows. 3 weeks, around 3 weeks before calving. Okay. You can see the feet. This is the feet and the cow, and in other side it is a bedding area. The cow is rest and sleep and ruminate. And the sucker also is currently used because the temperature is a little high. And here is the heart of the farm, the automatic milking parlor. Behind it. How is the detect here? Because I know you are using the cat. Understand? You know how is the result and the parameter? Just average, not average. 13.
Yeah, 13, 14.
Yes, very good.
Now we don't use
We don't
close
use.
up paper.
Yeah,
Ionic
yeah.
diet.
Yeah, yes. Yes, this is the
Feeling, meat, placer, and waste meat. Now we can take waste milk for bulk cows.
for bull cows.
Yep, for bull
Waste
cows.
milk after making pasteurization.
Yeah. After,
And
yeah.
adding is replacer.
No,
and adding
no adding.
only waste milk.
Only waste
Only waste
milk
milk for the
for
bull,
bull cows.
for bull cow. And for heifers,
For heifers, a milk replacer.
milk replacer. Only milk replacer.
Yeah, only
Only milk replacer.
Only milk.
And how about
And this one,
the gross performance, the body weight in this case, the average daily gain using it.
yeah,
Just approximately. Also.
0.75 gram.
So in this case, you are weaning the heifer around 2 months or 1.5 months.
2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
And how about body weight in this case? 90 as example, or
80, 85, 86.
so feeding.
So we need double
milk
rate.
replacer. Yes, double body weight.
Yeah, double body
The
weight.
body weight at 2 months.
Percentage 70.
Percent 70.
Yeah.
So double
Double weaning.
double body weight at around 2
60.
months.
Yeah.
Okay, one minute please. Okay, so it's okay. It's okay.
Well, these were 2 to 6 months. And after
This is
goes
2
to
months. Yes, this is 2
higher
months.
percentage.
This is the suckling. This is the suckling calf. Okay, in that part. Okay, and this is more than 2 months, and now started using TMR and the forage like alpha hay as we show. Okay, and
Yeah,
here
alfalfa,
using, yes,
corn silage.
and here using also TMR as you see alfalfa and the corn silage, in addition to some concentrated feed. All this area is for calving and suckling and weaning stock.
These ones 0 to 2 months.
This is for suckling. This is for suckling, and here is a milking preparation station, preparing for milk replacer and heating and preparing it, and also as the same also this part from this side until the end. So feeding 2 times per day.
Yeah.
2 times. 2 times.
Morning and evening.
So each calf put in one box, and the milk is calculated every day and provide same amount every day. And here is the carton. So in the morning to be open when the temperature is good and weather is sunny, and to be closed starting from the evening when the weather is a little to be cold. So all this part, this is the milking and the dairy part. Very important to us.
Yeah, these were second plus location.
This is the multiporous cows. That is mean two and more than 2 lactation. Or you can see the elder cow. First lactation cow or heifer. This is to be distributed in another barn. So we will see it later also. This barn is in the milking now, and we can see the tractor. We can see the tractor in behind of us. This is to adjust the surface of freestone of sand, okay. And before that, they adding some sand, and also they can making flushing of manure to be removed. So now all cow is going to the milking parlor. The cow in this side is already milking, as you can see, and the cow is located in the feed pump with TMR, and after that they take a rest in the free stall to sleep, to ruminate. And it's the same also for the upcoming barn in front of us. Success, Dr. Faro. We are happy to be here now and to continue our cooperation.
Thank you. Left side dry cow.
Oh yeah, this is the dry.
Yeah, this is the dry. Right side. Late lactation.
Yes, I think we see this part.
Second floor. Huh?
Yeah. The cow in right side, this is the late lactating cow, and the cow in left side, this is the dry cows. Okay, so you can see now in the front. Okay, and even you can see the TMR is contain a lot of forage. Okay, so this is the diet of dry cow and the close up cow. Okay, you can look to the cow and the activity and the body condition score and the air and the cleaning. That this is a tractor, as I say, this is used to collect the refusal feed, and after that in behind of the tractor there are one cycle, so this is used to make a push of feed. Stimulate the cow as you need to stimulate the cow to eat the TMR or to eat the feed.